In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Superscript in Affinity Designer. If you've ever needed to make a small raised number or letters, like the ST in first or the 2 in X2, this is exactly what Superscript is for. It helps your typography look clean and professional, and Affinity Designer gives you precise control over it. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Have your document ready with the text you want to format. Whether you're using artistic text for headlines or frame text for paragraphs, the process is the same. Click on the text to select the text object so Affinity knows where you're working. Then, highlight only the part of the text you want to turn into Superscript. This could be a single character, a few letters, or a number, whatever needs that raised position. Taking a moment to select exactly what you need ensures the rest of your text stays untouched. Next, look to the top of your screen and click the Window menu. This menu is where you manage which panels are visible in your workspace. From there, hover over text to reveal the text-related panels, and then choose Character. The Character panel is your hub for fine typographic control. Things like font, size, spacing, and special positioning live here. When it appears, it may dock to the side of your interface or float as a small window, depending on your workspace setup. Either way, leave it visible so you can apply the formatting quickly. Inside the Character panel, find the Superscript control. It's typically labeled as a Superscript dropdown or a position option. Click that dropdown to see the available choices. Now choose Superscript. As soon as you do, the highlighted text will shift upward and scale down slightly to match the traditional Superscript look. You'll notice it integrates neatly with your baseline text, which keeps the overall line length and spacing consistent. That's really all there is to it. Select your text, spotlight the exact characters you want, open the Character panel via Window, Text, Character, and set the Subscript dropdown to Superscript. A quick tip as you work. Because different fonts handle superscripts a bit differently, keep an eye on how it reads at your chosen size. Clarity is the goal, especially in dense designs or small captions. And for consistency across your project, apply the same approach to similar elements so your typography feels cohesive. With these steps, you can confidently add superscripts anywhere they're needed in Affinity Designer and keep your designs sharp, readable, and professional.